Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location in which you are. This is BWF Solicitors, Legal Hour with Magnitude. I believe wherever you are doing good and welcome to the program. Onyado for Ashafo, Itifo, and then so you better trade abo ase, Wamaya dom na enkwapa enya yen say. Yedi na sidema no na yaka say, yene ɔde adom no akyɛ na ɔde nnɛ yɛ akyɛ yɛn edwumadi a efiada bia yɛde ba ma kwan ne nso so yɛnya ahoɔden na yɛde ba sɛnea munim no edu efiada biara yɛtutu yɛ anam sɛ nneɛma a ɛɛsensen ɛɛkɔ ɛwɔ efidie so anaa ewiem mu obi bɛka sɛ hwɛ trading issues a nkurɔfoɔ ɛwɔ immigration mu litigation mu family law mu ɛne nea ɛkeka ho no na yɛde anam ɛde mmirika akɔfa bi aba na yɛde abɛto yɛn lawyers akɛseɛ nim sɛ yɛndwendwen ho ne yɛmpɛnsɛmpɛnsɛ mu na yɛhu kwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛn nso yɛnya saa nimdeɛ no a yɛbɛyi so na yɛn ho ahenhan yɛn ɛno nti no megye de sɛ woba so a wobɛsoso bɛdom yɛn na wahyɛ program no sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a agorankora biara a ɛwɔ baabi a ɔno nso bɛnya bi na watumi ahwɛ megye de sɛ ɛbɛyɛ nkɔmmɔdɛ metwa me ho sima bɛba sisia.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
Mesan adawasi bio me ma wakwa ebedwumedie so megye de sɛ obi biara ɛho yɛ mesrɛ mo me ma me hu show na mo share program no program na ɛho hia me mo share ekrom ha yɛ we to de bia no ma bebree na ɛba yɛ akwan mu nso na yɛ nim kwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛne efikasie mu a kɔtɔm yɛbɛka sɛ home office for ebedi nkɔmɔ wɔ ho na yɛ ho ehinhan yɛn na ɛba ne saa yɛtu anamo etutu kɔ ho lawyers na ɛba ne sɛ wakɔ ho lawyer na kyerɛ sɛ lawyer na ɛbɛgyina ntɛmu ɛde ama wo ne wo home office edwumadie yi enti yɛwɔ BWF Solicitors edwuma kɛseɛ baako a wɔ UK kurom ha ɔmo na yɛnya ɔmo resource personnels ɛnɛ deɛ special day yɛnya 2 of them a yɛne ɔmo ɛba bɛdi nkɔmɔ na ɛyɛ me de yie saa nso na me nso megye di sɛ wɔn nso w'ani bɛgye ho nti mesrɛ mo ani die mo monhyɛ program mo a moaba so nyinaa mommɔ mmɔden a ɛnhyɛ program no na ɛnkɔ akyikyikyikyi ɛmma yɛn sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a obi biara bɛnya yɛn nso atie yɛwɔ BW radio so BW radio wobɛnya no wɔ yɛka ne sɛ wokɔ radio garden anaasɛ modern Ghana radio ne so a ubenya uko internet ne so kra na u type BW radio ubeti yenka sisi a ye kasa ye streaming live ewo ho sanso na ewo BW TV nso BW TV say na o hwe bi bomodia na ye America eko YouTube ne so YouTube ne die ye see o hwe wo ho a eye fankasa aye say o ka program ne ho nti mo ne wo YouTube ye wo Facebook your Instagram, your Twitter, just say all the media platforms in Nara, your so into Bomodia trap, I know if you may dear one sa and kebi. And I mean, can I see, did say, Ubiara, who you view. Near Etienne say, and then your resource person, you know, and Kwana, and your mother did come at a mabia GE. You were, yeah, near Bema, lawyer Patrick himself. And I saw ye lawyer Kakransa honestly did a lawyer Deborah and said no ye the omumi no ever Deborah sorry omumi no ever be dim come away to medium na me sha se na me de nchia kese e de amom na afei ma be introduce and the topic aye wa ye pese e to da e de mama se mo nko so na mo share program e mama e da masi lawyer Patrick good morning.
Oh, hi. Good morning, Manye. I hope so here, and I'll pay.
I don't want to
Great. Nyamiadum, Yenina, who pa, Yamisha, so kakra, yeah.
You, but me tomorrow na fancha kesi MIT for ne ahwefo na afedi me introduce me next guest and also na also Indi Musa and from my Wadaroma.
Okay, great. Yes, a tier for your mamunina ache and pay so. And if you that whether no more you kakra. Ye be kan ho hye na ya hwɛ mmra no mu de ekoso de ema applications no etoda etumi delay kakra ene de ye betimi aye ama se decision be ba ye nsa betimi aka no ntam nti yes akwanya wo ho ye mamu nyina kwaba ye hope se mo beto nsa afre afoforo na aka no na omotimi ajoin yen on this very important subject and anopay na ye nyina ye de odo abodom atimi asua de so yes manye pacho kakra ewo ho no
You like Patrick nyame shra me da se tiefo na ahwefo Mr. Munkoso na mo hihye man na agema good morning me chiao me gidi se won so ho ye yo your next guest ye unya no if you kesi so ye lawyer Deborah. Good morning, lawyer. Mpacho, obey you wedi kakra na wedi ncha kesi amiti for na ahwefo.
Good morning, viewers. My name's Deborah, and today I'll be offering you a summary of what Lawyer Patrick will have to say today to educate all of us. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Bro, so, viewers, just as she said, she's going to introduce some few bits about what's going on, sometimes we have issues that we need to discuss and we don't get a chance to talk or discuss that in the English version. So our lawyer with this sweet voice is going to do just that for us. And yet, you share nyoma aircona. Nyoma bebre na ya na ban immigration sama etutu ye. Nanso no yenso ya sitile mu aye wono. Ye wo wa obehu na bibi ken abaya ya brabo mu we be see na yenya changes in circumstances and I say situation mu aye wono na bibi ken asesa nti ba ne sa na se wo as individual no woni home office etu anamon bi say wo ye wo document wo ye wo change your status say immigration say ye kind of saying litigation say your family law say any form of we be can application bia only home office aye na o document wo mo nsem anampo se wo saka wo document no se eba ne se bibi ba wa brabo mu a eye wa sede se wo na o sign ekokatra mo se home office foi em say me dey kan ye my application na me wo ye sisi ama wo akwala ba ma brabo anase enye wasede omo hwehwe mu a eye nse say sometimes omo check ni oma ebaba ne say bi omo hwehwe mu na omo nko hu say asem esi aye ne nkrata ma ni wawo ana na tre say say changes be about our brabum enya won kwa it could be say afi no wa ware it could be say empo sabi obi kra na amrano action wo kwan bi so na yede na akwa akotu efiase ana say bibi just say anything at all ye kan your lifestyle ho ana kan ye kan ya brabo ho no embia na ebi ato wo kwan so na eba ne saa was say ukobo mama ne ana nti ene yen topic na ye be discuss ne would I have to and I said do I have to inform the Home Office about changes in my personal information and as circumstances? Now, Sebani said, if that is what I have to do, quite ben na me faswa me to me send your musa changes, you know. But before we do that, I'm going to invite Lawyer Deborah now. On me and Billy can anchor a few bits about the updates, the earlier mentioning of Lawyer Patrick topic or the buyer now.
Yes,
Then our main topic. So, Lawyer Deborah, please welcome again. Can you please explain a few bits about what you said earlier on to the viewers and the listeners?
Well, there's no particular updates per se. There's no particular updates.
Oh, no, all right. So that's, thank you. Yo, okay, any call your topic in this so now. Yen waste time crying so lawyer with the Lawyer Patrick me to mount you be some say kwan ben na me fa so or say me de insisai bia aba ma brabo mo me de ma Home Office now ayem bia nso no whilst you explaining that maybe see a few questions bia ebebe mu na yetumi ama etie for enya ntiase mu yi mpacho wadaroma.
Right. Yo, a tip for Ebema Munina Akwaba Bium onto this wonderful platform. One would say Shiawaha addition usually is and that is not different from the other days now, Yenimoshiano. Now, and you should be something very basic, but very, very important. Say, as I said, you to me a channel so now is Shian dear. Etasi say ye applications. Ebi ohwa why application na wi no na o twen say decision ebeba. Na ebia bibi asesa wo wabrabom. Now, eno na ye bisa say anyenye bia wo krom ha. Why anaso say ya ma BRP ana BRC. The difference between a BRP and BRC no and yet so much. BRP no you be a Yamano assistant under the UK immigration rules no. So Yamao assistant Yamao card, sa card na Yamao no. UK no a friend of BRP, biometric residence permit. And then moye EU for ebusian for no enye EU ni na nkasa. Moye EU for ebusian for no. So, my application na ye decision ye ma card as well, but sa card no your friend of biometric residence card. So that is just the difference between the two of them. And you know, yes, so you be a application na ya ma a BRP and also BRC, and also say application now will change decision from the Home Officer. Then, as I say, BB Sisa wa brabo mua, as I say, will catch the Home Office for. Now, omutimi ya aware. Now, a near ma, as I say, will catch the omono, it depended on the assistant wa brabo. So let's take, for instance, why your application at the Home Office. Oye koye no na ote number 1 Downing Street. But since our application, no, we move from number 1 Downing Street at the court number 10 Downing Street. It is number 10 now, but who update Home Office for? So they don't know say what number 10 is here a move free number 1. In situations maybe our application no any one kasa na because we know say through yen church any addition into no you move a braid to meet na fee applications, which is fine. it means that the no musua there, and it's great. Nti yɛmfa ne sɛ wa na woyɛ saa application na then ɛho bɛhia sɛ wobɛ update home office na yɛbɛka the effects no later on. Nti yes ɛho bɛhia sɛ wobɛma home office ayɛ aware sɛ since a woyɛ saa application no bibi sɛ asesa sɛ yɛ lawyer na ɛyɛ ama wo a in a particular case as a firm no normally what we'll do and say say your application na there's a section ebisa say postal address no den just so that we are able to be on top of that case no na yetimi I responded to correspondence from home office efficiently and effectively ni timely no what we do no say yeah the business address postal address said the beya bibia home office here bia no obetro yen rather than say obetro eno no tumi buama say bia unifie na ya tro letter bi na onsa nka amayetumi I respond immediately and also say bia na ote shared house not letters aba na bibinti odi akwa akoyira na ebiso na the home office airtro ebisa na ehu hia because there's been occasions omitumi throw back to request for further evidence in support of your case again your email schedule said the beya say nye throw no mo throw by post edi aba na emom omo send email ye nsabetimi aka ntem na ya respond to it. Bear in mind say wo email ene edi ahye so a se almost send this email ne ba ebetimi akọ ho ye nyina enim se nye nipa bebre ene wo adaje a ode ko checking the email every minute, every hour, every day, every week. However, yen as a business there, you know say piece no wanim or access to information na eba say you send you email ebe ring a bell amawate na alert to that email until you know say obi application and you hear further evidence and say information you send this email to the brewer obetimi I responded to say email no timelessly. Now bear in mind say usually no say home office send a request for further evidence and answer documents what time restrictions sometimes because obetimi anka say SSSA eniema ya mi bisawi and answer request ya mi or respond to sa request no within 10 working days and I say within 24 working days. It means that SSA yes sir. So one yes sir there were implications wo ho. Ebetimi ama ya reject your application no and also say ebetimi ama ya refuse your application no. So this is what we do as a firm. I don't know about other law firms. But yes, so one now your application then bear in mind say ebe hia say obe update home office for and also says a lawyer na eya amount and ode ne business address aye postal address ebe hia say obe inform o solicitor no because bia na ono so obe throw e de bibi abrel na because was address na one continue na call old address no ebe tumi ama delays aba ebe tumi ama say o biometric card and ye issue ne de brewa ubetimi lose sa card then you would have to go through the process again to obtain another one na ebetimi cost to sika so. So that is that. Now changes ni bi wo ho a say si wo wabrabo ma mandatory say esese o katre home office. So mandatory no is bibia ye can say you must do this. Intino edin na mandatory say SSA o katre home office for. Number one, say why application. Now since our application no, ebia udi assessor. So first, ni efra Abigail Mensah. But ene wa worry ama udi Abigail Mensah no assessor ema ye de Abigail Mensah kodua aba beka ho. So sanete dia na esese hu se esese update home office for na omo ya we say since oye application no udin assessor. It is very also important say ube notice say So udin asesa na wo biometric card ne dada and I say BRC ne dada then a very important say obema home office for aya aware because sa BRP and I say BRC na ukuta with the old name no ebetimi abeye invalid because wasesa udin na so wasesa udin so na BRC no any other documents no entalia which means that utukwan obetimi enya nsunsuaso so wo babaka yes wo ko ukroma ya nyina nim se obi ansi wo kwan se obekọ ukrom but se wo babaka eho na ya problems no ewo because the ewo system no so any the ewo documents no so no ni nyina no entally enyepe nti esa na ma adwinpo bi abase ebia wo sa nipa onye the same person no nti eho behia se eno so no obetimi aba wo mo amane ebiso wa na facial features asesa facial features no eden na yeka obi wo ho a nanim da ho kama yentete nanim but ebia na bibia ba amane ne yamamre African culture bibi ntino yesi o esese yeti wanim kakra esese ye we kakra na ye de hye wonso se saa bibi sa si a it means say again we situation na sesa nti photo a usually uko biometric appointment you twa no saa time na you twa no na bibia enna wanim basisi ye hu se watu kwan akwa aba ama ye the mark ato wanim anase ye bibi e de ato wanim because of tradition anase because of cultural background so sanity there again as I inform home office for the other thing is on nationality so nationality assessor again a idea as I no so informal home office for. There's one thing and also very important that is gender. Ebia your community the ebia na intense say ye bibisa but as I see a shannon so ene we male additional we female again as I say home office for a year where say na esi ewo wabrabom and also so ya idea as I say ye shannon so say oh yes san sachre na as I call home office for website .gov.uk /change of circumstance ./brp na okoye sa changes no ewo honom ubetimi so ene o lawyer kasa na why sa changes no on your behalf now so one yes sa nema we nyina think say in my representation no maka eniema ne bia ebetimi affect you ebi the fact say bia so one sesa those details no na you make it decision or application no more it may mean say you best send the decision no e dey call the wrong address na emma on sanka ebetimi a delay application no because the right information into ebetimi a delay application no ebetimi so ama you refuse application no because e bia the correct information so what to kwan na wo ba eno so betimi ama or how kakra aba betimi anya delays ene you say 2024 December the 31st no yen BRP any BRC ni nyina no ye de nyina abekọ online which means say information and say details so personal details assessment na wa ma home office for anya aware na yes switch here e betimi akoso problem. I have an instant case client yaje family permit aoba na husband I say okofa no every airport no na wasesa na address so this was not related to the home office but then they knew it because they are able to do checks with Royal Mail and the postal services to see all of these things. They're able to do credit checks on your credit file to see all of these things into movement bia wuye bia no uja footprint into uja footprint so or data so they are able to assess it and see what you've been doing with your life. Into your fan say wakoje credit card waha wakoje debit card waha wakoye high purchase waha ni nyina wuye ni nyina no ye bisa wo details udin address baby a wote how long you've been there and all of those things. Into ni nyina the ma omo ye bibia home office obetimi access it. So this is how they got to know that this person, even though during the application, na ose oteha no, and they are all before the year airport, ose oteha. But they knew that. But then this person was able to talk their way through how come they were not able to inform the Home Office at that very particular time. So this is fine. There's been very important thing going on with the Ghana High Commission, which I want to commend them for that. And I don't know yet a phenomenon about your DIA, your TRO, or your birth certificate, so any your passport, so any other ID documents or documents are away your demo. So obi ohwa ube unse ni din your friend Michael Mensah, but then you try now you try Mensah Michael, then you don't know say when you surname and now when you forename, and that is creating a lot of problems. Obi so our British passport and I said driving license edin ya tro wo mu no uhwe edin na ya tro Abigail Kweku Mensah, but okuta eye Ghana passport ya tro Abigail Mensah wo. Bear in mind, so wo court na wako renew o Ghana passport na, you should be able to demonstrate say wo osimesi obenten wo na wo ye Abigail Mensah no, and now say wo na wo ye Abigail Kweku Mensah no. Eye very important because edin say na edin said there na Abigail Kweku Mensah and Abigail Mensah, they may not be the same person necessarily. Into SSR Ocean so. And for that, I think it's very good. It's creating a system, a secure that. It means that Obia Keke, and to me, and sorry, Precope, and call Ghana High Commission, and call cancer, ye mano Ghana passport. No. So, if you say a one pa, then you have to evidence that. Because, and to me, Kobase, o birth certificate ekuta wono ya troso Samuel Yabuabeng, and then o Ghana passport no ya tromu Samuel Buabeng, and then o British passport ekuta wono ya tromu eye Samuel Kweku Buabeng. Ese ni nyina no utimi kyerɛkyerɛ mu die sa difference in names no for the same person no ɛwɔ hɔ sɛ de bɛyɛ a onsabetimi account passport. Enye yenkwa as a country and as a commission and as a mission no and yes, bear in mind, said by ya okudu or chinebi, near cancer, we and Tasumu, Koye Bibi, Nafa for dear dancia, one ma Uncle Bassa Ghana for any time when it debit. There's been instances even with HMPO, Her Majesty's Passport Officer, and for a year applications, they are called now birth certificate, no, a dear was no can be for, and then a dear a application form no so no it can be before a dear a what document maybe GP's letter an access school letter no and also so can be before. It is not really right say ubenyasa as a so to me yes certain a dina will use so ye nim say ye chromo ye throw dina na o bia o middle name about first na o surname and then o first name nti obia ye friend no Abigail Kweku Mensah no ubewuna aye Kweku Mensah Abigail na yehu insunsun edem se eye Mensah no na ye first anase Abigail no na ye first ni nyina no ya ade a ebetimi create problems for us nti esese ye hye no nso na ye yesa niema na yetimi eboa na ye ni ye. So yes manye it is very basic but very important information share this morning with the community, and I believe they will take this very seriously and update the Home Office in changes in their circumstances. The other thing we didn't mention, which is very key, is if, say, for instance, what committee any criminal offense, and also say be who dependents be no more under 18 now make the application, but now they are not. They are flying their own nest. Changes but I would advise say speak to an expert, speak to a lawyer or for instance, what committee crime be so inform Home Officer. I think it's very important say by yourself. Speak to a lawyer so that they can map up a strategy. or pending application you be refuse and also say you make a decision that you bet me every vocal a year will BRP and I say BRC in manye.
Okay.
Oh, just before I wrap up with that, I think so quickly I will chip in with the EU nationals. So me can EU nationals are again almost family members, but the EU nationals na nkasa. Ufri Belgium, ufri Holland, ufri Germany. Munyano. So we EU settlement scheme now. Usually what happens in this or the ID card and I say o passport any. So bear in mind, so since then no o passport newu. Now wakwa akwaje foforo from o home country. Na eno na wodi di akoniaba again. Say o update home office with a new document. And yes, ubedu your port wa and also subenya problems. Yes, you may eventually be allowed to come in, but then umbetimi a delay o. Say and also so yashia so manye.
Hey, wait there, somehow it looks like you've answered most of the questions that I planned asking you. Well done. And Lawyer Patrick, why are there pana? You can say before I forget, the last but one there, okay, say Indiana why criminal convention bina yamao wabrabom bibi aba wabrabom na one control mo ohono na afei ama me dream question bi ho kakra on say ba ni say bia bibi sa to a sometimes crampo no wo no particular to no embi kra on kai mpo say was say anase say wokɔbɔ home office amanye sɛ nsɔhwɛ sei na wakɔ mu nti no wo situation sei na tie nti sɛ ba ne saa sisia no wakyerɛkyerɛ mu nyinaa sɛ ɔsɛ me bɔ mu amanye waka name change ne nso sɛ obi din no that's the name order sɛnea na you put name 4 names and then the surnames no you put them together no de bia yenya ho nsunsuanso ɛno nso mo question baako wɔ hɔ na ansa na mebisa ɔno mpɛ sɛ mebisa baby kakra ɛwɔ saa convention no sɛ ɛba ne saa wo no kwan bɛɛ na ɔsɛ wofa so na wonkɔbɔ home office amaneɛ sɛ home office free say who can say India go to .gov ne so na bo say a BRP no abo BRP nti say any questions ebeba na and ebe drop down wait to me aye but whereby you have this case India why war conviction and I say bibia na wakodem kakra no aba eno no ehon so na hemfa na wokọ ohwa na o say wokọ and I say bi foforo say wo pacho
Bibi fufuro bi anywhere say wo ye ni nyina no the same portal so inti ukọ sa portal no so a de wo hwehwe say obey fill in change of circumstance application sa portal no so inti sa form no na esese o complete the informal home office for of the particular change aba ewo abrabom inti yes manye gov.uk/change change of circumstances dash BRP eno enesese okoso na oye na otumi the esesa any details the complete address no different from the complete change in your personal circumstance any details na yaboboso earlier no but ni nyina no the same portal so a obetimi aye manye.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Lawyer Patrick, watch it to me, ya my yen. Afe yemba edin so na nsisaye no yenim say to the bia o change udin a senia o tretre mu sa name order no embia na ye fro bi Maria Asante Boapon enso no obehu okwa akoye ne akoye Maria Boapon Asante ntia ya na yehu which one is the surname and which one is the forename and as a middle name na eno no one birth certificate na akoba ne say ne passport nso no ya sesa no ye say eba ne sa na utu kwan wo de unim na utu kwan no ma stop wa say if they find out say bia edin no miense nyina e wo birth cert so just say wo passport ne so na ya sesa na eno nso me didi say be ha wo port ho no mpacha ntisa.
Of course, yes, manye. Ebetimi create problems amount, yes.
So in that case, no so per se o arrange or say no deep pool. You name say when you want to do change of name, deep uye as change of name. But this one, we say we there omo mistake no masisa the same name but masisa but so say we ya sana na en correspond there. Obetumi akwa akoye depo no correct name no. Ana eno de hia say no asa obefre home office ana obekọ name circumstance dey be out share port ana out share na wa throw din no the right way at no e dey amom and I say you have to back that with your deed poll no mpacho.
Okay, so deed poll no in a situation wasesa wodin. It is a one sesa wodin then you don't need to do a deed poll. Nti no the air can say nipa na ya throw ni din e was a particular application form no so and I said document na ya throw no Mensa Abigail Yeboah no or you the same person as Abigail Mensa Yeboah. Nti no onye nipa mienu but or the same person. Nti se sa na tie dia then ubetimi afele in sa change of circumstance form no se bia ekoso problema na wa mama ya we say wo documents are bear the name Abigail Mensa Yeboah no ene udin a ewo wada ID mu eye Yeboah Mensa Abigail no ensusu bi enem eye nipa ba kuna again ubetimi aye affidavit e de atoso e de atrese saa nipa yi or the same person as obeso statutory declaration to declare say indeed this person is one but the same person. Even though a dino senior or birth certificate so yatro no Mensa Abigail Yeboah na o passport mu yatro no Abigail Mensa Yeboah no enye nsunsuye eye nipa ba akona na edisa na emum ebia ne ntro yemu no na akwakoba no sa but nsunsuye bia ennem and then you can say okay say na me pese moye no and as say na me pese free na eko you refer me to nti obi a wo din ba ese miensa o British passport mu mienu pe na wom but o birth certificate no so no miensa ni nyina wo so na e de confusion kakraba ye hu se wo na wo birth certificate no so na say wo na wo British passport no se ni nyina no eye wo de a again yes ubetimi aswear statutory declaration to declare say ampa ni mienu no nyina ya wo but e bia from henceforth no upese the what passport no mu no ene ye de frel nti e no na upese o mu use however ni mienu no nyina no eye wudin a oje so manya.
Okay, so the statutory declaration and make it different. I've got a situation here where you can say the pakone can say or British Ghana High Commission say or the passport now. Ne woman said the best set no the din a ye de to no na wo for e ma ne din tintin dey e din enum nko anegu na wo da no na wo birth certificate ne so sorry me try na here birth certificate ne so when she was doing the passport now she wrote all the names on the birth set to the Ghana High Commission but then he said after some time when they were processing the document they called him say the name given no edoso dodo so is there any way obetwa so ede amom na which one will he prefer say omufan to ni birth set ni passport ni mo emano so I think say the pakuno agree say okay out of the 5 na momfa emumiensa say ede to so enti a phone conversation and a phone communication and a omunya santi as an omudito so and it Ghana passport number but senior koba no and any British passport dina or no or they call you na to me ye ma a day no money na a basso no na kwaye a dear me no and she said a banny say odi 2 pound na say on paying 2 pound senior white treat him no so bet to me ako no akwa yes statutory declaration no say miani usimesisi ene miani usimesi mpacho se sa na wacheche mu no
patron yes nti sa ni pakro no yes obetimi ayesa because bear in mind ukuta British passport I say afre will say ukuta Ghanaian passport and also say afre will say now I understand the logic behind the entire ye dey passport mienu etukwan because say wo ko ukrom Ghana because say you ukrom nti no unhia say wo beje visa na wo dey akọ nti Ghana passport no very important because it save you a bit of money. So obekwa queue na wakoji visa na so obetwen say visa amra no o file Ghana passport no so long as it's valid no yes o dey ko chrome until you ko chrome a bia hia say obecheck. Then when you are coming back to the UK again as I say ultimately demonstrate Ghana immigration service for say e chrome ha na wo ba no o wa setena wa ha as I say ultimately demonstrate to the airline now all file no so say e chrome ha na wo ba no o wa setena wa, and that is where your British passport becomes handy. Nti o de akere wo say wo ho kwan say o ba ha no, but uba bedu ha ye hu say o passenger information na o de mae no as edin na o de ama no nsunsuye kakra edededem, and that is where ebia obedu a ebetimi create a bit of a problem for you. So with that, you know, say what make it a declaration, you know, and answer change in circumstance application what fairly be edi achreche mu say na aba nti say ntina ebia me Ghana passport no edin a ewo mu no nsunsuye kakra bi ewo ho to de ewo me British passport no na ye nyina ya aware say okay, this is the reason why nti a ebia sa difference no ewo ho say the be ya okodu ho a yen delay o yen say wadaje na watimi nya smooth entry back into the UK manya.
Yeah, that's it. So maybe some question I am ready so corner. As time goes on, I'll be asking it till for national for say I feel no journey. You will BWF Solicitors for legal hours so na iguswa ye o share na topic I hear discussing no kwan ya obefa so say any changes be about wa bra bomu a obe home office for amane ese ne be ya titiro eba na akwantu mu na ukona wo ba sa changes no ankoye hintabia bia ama ewo kwan so na oba bedu asomdue mu nti eno na yeguso a ye che enye nemu nko na ye discuss we I think we've talked few things about other circumstances ebo embia wenya criminal convictions and I say embia we change your address na one home office for amane embia almost send you document no na akodu baby akopie baby for and yet change of address and kwa ebi krampo na woma oni omudi kan krata na so ye document call home office no na nsinsan aba nyame adom omonyi na efi wo nchen ti no obehwa obese omonso aye independent on their own nti eba ne sa wo as parent no kwan be na also say ubo home office amane ese sisi ano eye mankume na menkwala no nyame adom omonso ati omo ho omonso live their individual lives na ade it is anyo man kitinkite ya na it doesn't occur to us you say ye de o sa kan we na no ano no until thy kingdom come, but as time goes on our life no ko ni mu no nyo man kitinkite bi eba ya bra bomu a ese say or say a home office for and I say even say home office for I think say these people your friend is saying omo motititi en taxi from say yeah omonso or say also to me omonso amane na ade even though you so omonso no omo ye can say up to date information oba no nyanya 16 years na obe hu na omo ankasa tro because they have the data no ewo omo system ewo mu enti no be send o say oba ne say we do baby a otumi ekope adwuma ye ne ade but it's not always the case. Normally be or say wo na wo bo mama ni nti say wa beto ya eno na e discuss ene na mesa e di dwuma wo pese wo frɛ na wo bisa question be either concerning the topic that we are talking about and now say be foforo concerning all the expertise now more expert areas now more na kwan da ho say wo betumi e bisa nti na ma no egu e twa wo hwɛ wɔ YouTube a e twa wo ase wo hwɛ wɔ Facebook a e wɔ hɔ e 0208 123 1016 and I say 077 399208468 and also ubetumi afre na udi wa manebo and I say a question up say ubisa no na udi aba sanso na embia na wo frɛ no baby awo no untumi nkasa na o say okote baby na oye voice note and I say bimpo a wo frɛ untumi nremu a ubetumi a voice note aba 07596620154 so sami can voice note me pa say call WhatsApp page so on this particular number no na click ne jam message tia na fabre betumi abama wo na lawyer eyiwa no na yenyo odofom na nka bepese yenua ba Debra so obibi kakakra na nka onka better say yenya phone calls here. My next question me tie no na afedie yemfa yedwumedie no so ento aso odofo a waba ho maso me ma wakwa
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Pacho, we the one going room na we see wamanie.
Like good morning.
Oh, hello. Good morning.
Yo, man, Pacho, more questions me. First one, no yet something to do with Ghana card. The Pacho said, "Oh yeah, Holland niya. Because Holland for no more allow dual nationality." So me Ghana in answer cross Holland nationality. So me call Ghana. And now I'm who can say me Ghana card. And now say me to Patch of my question back on. Second one is
Patch hold on 1 minute. Osi Belgium for no omo allow and also omo allow
Holland omo allow dual nationality. We Holland national. Omo allowed to be hold any other nationality.
Okay, so okay, that's fine. All right.
Or your passport, Ghana passport no be any amount nationality.
That's fine.
And
so
I may do something. In this case, you know, the call Ghana making me a Ghana card. 17 means a whole implications in this thing.
Okay.
Semagibia.
Okay.
The second one is basically how long it takes you when your application is refused and later appealed and allowed. How long does it take for them to actually give you the visa?
Okay. La Patrick, Mpacho Wadaroma, Yenua Bema, any question or diabetes?
Right. Okay. So I think, sir, in asking the question, somehow on one kasa answer, and this is why. What you can catch from the onset, obisa question, no, sir, omomu krom Holland, sir, uye Dutch national, omo ma kwan e ma hold another nationality. Inti sir, okoho as obia watu bata no akoho ukodu na o time so se be ma passport a ye je wo other passport no free unsem because omo ye kura omo ye ninkum twifo ekuro nti omo twi kura pa nti omo mpese omo ne obia be share omo citizens nti wo ye Dutch national eno an se wo ye Dutch national untimi mfa bibi fufro encounter. And that is why Yamana relinquish ne Ghana passport. No. Bear in mind, say, o Ghana card no serve more or less the same purpose to say o Ghana passport. No. Now, it is a sign here there. Na okoji Ghana card. It's more or less as if say ukuta Ghana nationality as well. Say, opese move back to Ghana there. I don't know what Mukrumu home rano eka, but I would be not too far from the truth in saying, sir, pese obe relinquish sa o citizenship as a Dutch national no na wakwa kofa bibi fufuro e dia ton so sa na wo pena. Sanye sa dia ene na sa akra twen na e wo ho no. I think say ebe koso atwaso, which means say wo ko Ghana, yes, because say we Ghana ni no, say wo pese wo koje Ghana national ID card a yensi hu kwan. The first say wo nkuta passport no doesn't mean say onye Ghana ni. No, we Ghana ni because we Ghana ni by birth. Ibi awa wo fo no mienu nyina e Ghana for. It makes you a Ghanaian without even the passport. Nti yes, say wo kona say wo pese wo koje your national ID card na. Yes, say kwanya wo ho a yensi wo kwan na emom no say wo de ko wo krom ho a de na wo krom for no ebeka in respect of you having assumed another nationality. And no problem wo be face. The answer to that no, I'm not able to give you that. The omobeye e Holland because I don't know Holland law. Until I cannot give you the answer to what they would do. Now, with the second question, no, So we application you refuse you, and then you appeal against it. Now we need appeal now. Then the Home Office would have to implement it. Your case be to say boafo. Ni nyina no spell it out say as say omo implement this decision no as soon as possible. Home Office one kasa policy and also so kire say ya appeal against the omo for a decision. Now sa appeal no has been successful. So Oma anko anko appeal against our decision media. Then omo duty say omo implement our decision as soon as possible. And they are here say intense for a reason. At the moment, you can't be on this platform, any other platforms, so the Home Office itself, as an institution, they are really very stretched. Into nipadodo a ho adwuma no kakrabi. Applications now a lot, including backlog from COVID time. And the attention on Ukraine, any Russia war, ama applications ni bebre a delay. So na implementation process is delayed. Ebi it take even way beyond 6 months to get something from them. And then they get back to say, okay, we are on it. But eventually, you will get it. Whether it takes a year, whether it takes 6 months, you will definitely get your visa and come back. So your family permit, yes, so your extended family member, you will not lose that right. You will still get your family permit. You come to the UK and you would be able to apply for a residence cards once I wababiduha. And I think said the other time I mentioned it. A new department for more free outside the air banner. Said the bear ombetimi expediting applications. So this is what is going on. It is a free outside now bar. The likelihood say ombetimi decision within a week. Just about 2 weeks ago, I've done one for a client. Within 1 week, they've been granted omunyina ewa hanum. Yes, we appreciate the delays, but unfortunately, there's not a lot unless the Home Office can say omuko recruit nipa bebre at the account. Failing that, I think that these delays now it's something that beyond them at the moment. But
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so that's it, Papa. So I said, yeah. Onya so yo 02081231016 and I say 07399208468. Wait to me. Afela Patrick here will voice note go. I mean body quickly and sana will be a boy remona ENT.
Good morning, Manati. Good morning, Lawyer Patrick. Maybe question here too. Where you about kakra? Maybe naturalization. Nah, last one I lawyer answer me, but still no. As my a bit confused kakra sawa. Say me definite no. Me fan say 8 years muni. Now ba me worry no. I now so me fan say me definite no. Me na jawari. And I mean indefinite answer me jawari and must worry for. I'm worried for not some worry from the break it down some men. Now, me use spousal 3 years spousal requirement. Me use a honor application, and now me use my personal life and find 5 years back requirement. Now, so me use 5 years now.
Lawyer, sorry, Pachawa was so hold on. Say or Frel my WhatsApp. Hold on 1 second.
Okay.
Sorry, is it possible? I think may I know who is speaking, please?
My name's Jane. I want to speak to Irene. I spoke to her yesterday evening. Okay. I'm calling from Wortheston Architects.
Okay. Sorry, I'll let her call you in a minute if that's okay.
Yeah, sure. That's good. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.
Sorry about that. It's a different sort of thread with different thing. Okay, so although for one, so Patrick, I'll play the thing again and say we frame no amana ako back. So me answer quickly in Papa was so but although for one man so my auntie. Hello, good morning.
Make your lawyer, Kasa.
Patran Koso.
If I try my question, is what about for visit? Now, maybe say.
On raise your voice, Kakra, mommy. Why?
Okay, if I show, so what about for visit? Now, if I show way in a visa, that's the if I say they will a month time, but person will be called now in here as it's now. If I show one day and I'll be fast.
Well, yes, manye. Yes, nti yenuaba say aba holiday we krom ha. Obedu yeso so nani aka ha. Ohun glass buildings no ne niema kakra ka ho na ama nani aka ha. Nti nka obepese oni ye betena ha. But oba visit aka 1 month na na visa na wu. Nti kwan ben so na obefa obetena ha. Ekwan no de manye eye bebre nti ye kase ye bebubo no nyina so I think say program we enkwa ntimi allow ye but yes yenu abai oso aba ha say wabenya ne dofo bi na one ne wo ho na yemfa ne say ekina bi nyinsan aba mu na owo fa no ho fa ne ba say akolai ne papa ye settled ha yenim say akolai obeba be ye British citizen eno so be ma ye ni abai kwan ama ono abetimi abaye British obetimi enya asesena wo kroma ebiso ana ode ne ho akobo ye empena bi a oba ye wanya sa empena yi ewo eba akola no a qualified person the qualified person no akola wo krom ha or ye settled or British passport or indefinite leave to remain and also say or your friend is saying EU settlement scheme 5 years residence card leave to remain. Omunyina no sesia no omo come under the definition of a qualifying child into eno so boa. In fact, even there is omo ebia enam na wo for so ntino anase because papa anase maame no ewo eye British child na there's another child ono no wo ebia 2.5 years omunyina no akwanya wo ho obetimi agina omo so de enya eye asesena ewo krom ha. So this is just but a few of the options obetimi I explore. Apart from that, say if our intention be say or switch it to another category because meet the immigration status requirement, it will be very difficult for it to switch from being a visitor into a different category. As I say, call back to Ghana, no call apply no. But for instance, ebia wenya ekunu wa ha, but oniba omuni bibia wa omuntem. Nti opeso ware na oya application na. As I say, call back to Ghana na okoye sa application from Ghana na odeba back. Enye difficult. Aya na nkofo bebre suro se me call back na mansan ba. Well, ebejina sene watoto niema na wankasa wonkojina ba bi na wonya odema mranim ni a onim ni oya, you will go and then you will come back na bibia aye kama. So yes, this is what yenua by ebia obetimi afa so a obey. Apart from that, say skilled worker no kra na person ya again ni nyina no say come back and apply from your home country and come back. Say school now person okwa and also so say come back, apply and come back. Unless situation no there's bibi or ha said your ta friend no insurmountable enunti no ye ka say kofi na koye na bra ebeye unduly harsh because there's bibi or ha abeye stumbling block say be home office for intimi ka say court na sambra enye sa dia then I'm afraid you'd have to go apply and come back manye.
Yo, many other for one, so send your lawyer church now be say bibi.
So now another question I may person may be say, so we have this is how who can say oba obetimi register for GPR now in case you say we are real obetimi register for GPR.
Registration in there, I'm not sure. Lawyer bet you, but I know say we are. I'll bet to me a GP on me show. Ain't you know? Lawyer and patron, no bet me a cheche muka krama no answer na ma fakeness law.
Yes, manye. Obia wo kroma as a visitor bia wo free amanone aba bia nye Ghana nko. Yes, we are entitled to primary health care. Inti utiya wo ya opeso ko GP. Yes, we are allowed. We are funu ya opeso ko GP. Yes, we are allowed. E bia accident bia ba opeso ko accident and emergency we are allowed. Say omo ye bibia yes secondary. Say operation kese bi e bia wabaha tumi se nkofo a omuni nkrata obanyim wo ha na okowo a etoda ya hospitals mi wo no ma send bill because a normal no secondary a eno no enye bibia esese ye edeboa on the basis of human rights nti eno no ya ade a ebetimi ama yebdeka abrel. But apart from that, so we kruma as a visitor, yes, we are entitled even say obe register with a GP na ya ma GP number yebe ma one kasa o personal doctor a friend of family doctor no nti yebe kire say o doctor ni esimesi nti no on your data no it says doctor we na ya assign to wo any wo family say oye lucky sometimes no bibi ni a ono na obekwa akohu no say bibi a entre so a obia betimi ehu including some of the nurses and healthcare workers or more practice omu nyina betimi ehu. But yes, it's very important say o kruma as a visitor ubetimi register with a GP surgery said be ya bibia ubetimi akọ GP and answer akọ hospital near show manye.
Okay. Mami ya da se why say we nya mo aye no.
Yo. Pasha nya so me.
Okay. What's your program media? Yo, Lawyer Patrick, well, me pese be deviate free and topic is na ba o say GP registration so ko a no mo nso o mo bi se bisa o say kofa we bra ente na e man ko visitors no do ani suro say no ma na GP ni be bisa ne say on famra ye we no oni bi. So, intercobanisa na ma ehunso abo. But I think we've talked about this topic before. Our request say another time on the program, yebenya huna yansa a person pensemo into details. Yo, odo for one huma so. Pacho ufrefre near frozen.
Pacho, me fresh London. Pacho from coffee.
Yo.
Pacho, me bisoko shama abinya bako. Pacho, no what 10 years route no so. And I was 5 years route.
Okay.
Now I kind of 5 months now. In 5 years, need to have more than 5 years route. Now, when you have problem with when you like we plug a wordman into what sick leave a wordman. It debating a lease in 3 months. And no, will be such a sick leave now, plan work with women now, so we knew now. Some of the Nabucco 10 years route to Notiana because of when me financial and I won't know and lost partially someone.
Oh, okay. Now, say we proud there. Definitely, our evidence near the idea of the back. Anyway, lawyer waha or bet church mu at the amai. Lawyer Patrick and Patrick Adaroma. You bear me any question.
Okay, yes, Manye. So, in switching, no, there's no such thing as the financial requirement, Debbie. What you need to meet, adequate maintenance. The adequate maintenance, no, the actually say, uyu bia, ubetimi ashawo ho. Baby a wote no, uyu okay, ubetimi ashawo ho. Inti ano na ye but usually no say, oh yeah, juma, ubetimi de pay slips no sa niyama no, edi actually say, ampase utimi shawo ho. Yenu ya bear my case, very bibia meka say exceptional because wakwa ko pra wa adwuma enye say adwuma no wajaye we pra eno wofie nti we pray yes so why adwuma no so acha then it means obey entitled to either sick leave and answer bibia e kire say wofie nyina no yetua neka because of oyare nti sa sika ni nyina no yes obetimi de adanse e de a kire say yes obetimi a maintain no ho ebi so a na empo owo off sick na ebi a onya aban sika kakrakra bi e de supporto de ebi adwumamfo etua no ne nyina no obetimi e de aka ho e de abom e de show say obetimi a maintain no ho adequately I think say eno nko ane ade a obisa. So I presume say ne dan okay. Bibia apart from maintenance, financial maintenance, okay. Into or English level, ni bibia obetimi they apply. So if that is the case, then yes, I'll go for the 5 years extension, and then you'll be able to go through with that. Yes.
Okay. Yo, I'm say odiato so dada ntino. Yan fe obi was so but mpacho dina so kakrama me na me mbo me message wi ansa na
in between 5 years no. Me fan say me P60s and a pay slips be back requirement no. Now, say me see 5 years now. In between 5 years no. Me fan say me P60s and a pay slips be This the menya no na e dia da metimi dia replace I bet you say 5 years na me work mu a. And second question here say o fele ayi ni wi a sa sentence na ya na ma wo ko ye bia biometric fingerprint ne se bia o ma check document na dia de no. And no I na service ben pa no mo render e wo ho. E bi say ba ku bia na me check no. No my for the final figure now, more charge you for service on random for that day. But it be £100. Say, oh, check it out now. Oh, glance it through. Go so much. I say, I provide extra service. We say, if you are scanning now, it be £45. And if you are open interpreter, another interpretation now, it be £65. So until the others are highlighted on, nothing more can't. I don't know. Then more can't. £100 previous advance be a service now on the charge on. Now I can no. To say me say so much charge for sa £100. I say why anti kia na be one to either service be a service banner on me vendor amount for sa charge no a charge you.
Oh, okay.
That's
Yo, question no master kakra. Yo, Patrick, audio na me di kan airborne call the fame no patcho no until uti ni na CBA first one no till you bisa no any second one no services are biometric center for no more render no apart from the extra scanning and interpretation services no more de man patcho to wait to me amano my kakra mame.
Okay, so the first question also I worried before and I was jai Unyani indefinite over 8 years in it. Yes, say Bibia okay, then it means or qualify for nationality. Into obetimi the British citizenship. Obetimi naturalization. Into yen shannon so I na do na feel say qualify so your amount passport straight away no. Omon yes sir. It's say on naturalizing the amount certificate. Now the certificate no apply for passport. Those are the steps I say will take it to become naturalized and also be a British citizen. Great. And you know, so wa worry na wajaya na worry dada no it's gone. Into an application and fair no. Yes, the form no may ask about the previous marriage. Yes, obey to me the details na share. But previous marriage, it's got nothing to do with the naturalization now or no. So wa worry currently again obey to me the share. But it doesn't have anything to do with the naturalization. So when you are indefinite over 8 years ago, which is you are overqualified anyway, to wait me applying to demonstrate so our half for 5 years. No, if unya pieces in this mana because you move a brain now, be what to kakra, akoha, wafaha, obo documents na no na ebe brebi o na wa pa ba na wa to agu. Ebi ana sa na the case ntie. Yes, ubetimi amfre HMRC na oma brel the friend employment history no ti omo the employment history ni ba ube se be breaking it down wajuma wa yes since oba ha o sha se wutua wo national insurance ni nyina no ebe wo sa ade no so ebe kire se ampa se o sa di pe what na ha enye no nko na betimi di a kire bia na bia wa nkasa ba bia wo te no na wutua wo cancel tax ubetimi di no so aka ho na unya wo pay slips 1 or 2 be the ka ho a eno so very helpful. Now with the second question, no. So we call a year biometric center also we call Bowen Sanwa. And yet centers ni na a home office for na wo. Apart from baby a we call akohu a year oma service support center for Croydon no baby aka ni nyina no omo ye agents UKV cars ena ni omo adwuma nti UKV cars for no ena home office for a contract wo say omo nye saa biometrics no emfa ma omo Soprasotera nti womo na ye saa adwuma no nti se wo kɔ hɔ a ebi wɔ hɔ a center na wo kɔ no they charge you to go to the center. So for instance yen as a firm BWF Solicitors si yen fa no say ye hɔ na wo ba be ye wo biometrics na ba na wo ba ye hɔ no because say you light bill ne saa ne man ntino firm no charge you ebi £100 to do the biometrics. That is outside of the charge. And yes, centers ni nyina no mo charge you. For instance, Croydon, ebi wo ha ubenya de ebe charge, ebi wo ha ubenya de free. Into sometimes so wo search here, ubetimi anya free one. And also say open in tema ubetimi etuaka na wa akoye. So the charger charge you to go to the center no to provide your biometrics no different from the other services now omo providing na oka ho asem no including interpretation so per ebia interpreter obetimi a church nsem di a kire wa eno no wo ho so person omo send you text message confirm niema eno so omo charge you so person omo scan wo documents no edema wa eno so omo charge you nti we nyina your services are omo render you are not under any obligation whatsoever say ubitua for sa extra services no. So indeed while betimi ascan o documents e de ama home office for nti wo kɔ hɔ a de wo hia e wo passport ne obi a pese wo bia na wo de akɔ na o scan o ID documents no omu wi a na o submitted documents no e de akɔma UKVI but senya sa na tie na untimi scan wo documents na then again you have to pay £45 to £50 for them to scan the documents and give them back to you. So options are ewo ho a se wo pa ubetimi ato se wo mpa enye by force se wo search ya ubenya free appointment se wo mpa so se ube waste time na ube delay e bia wa priority service application o pese unya no instantly then again ubetimi etua for fee no na wakwa akobɔ nsa no quickly na ye the decision about manye.
Yo, yeah, that's it. Say questions in banner, but by order for you, man, so man of kind of me share in Facebook, ni YouTube for so question kakra and momo. In order for one, my son Pachamo cover, Kafra said, and my way to so I check. My aunt who baby, I will cast it free now. I feel beside question. Hey, now man, with the area now, sign be saving.
For declaration. Declaration, patrol open tier, and also 22 referees, me and also 20 back of it. Naturalization is referees, for declaration for referees. Yeah. And no, we are not all print here. On my print, normal, I feel in normal sense. Upon so I give you out your details, meaning I agree. Now, me say, hey, and I know all print it out now. And I know also print me when I say, I'm not printing back up in the mouth. So I'm printing me then on my back up.
She said, "Oh, my bag of a sending, and now here. There was a person who beat this kind of pie to wow, you are there, which is good. I mean, that's why we give them education here for people to be independent. But Rabba often say, how so I know Kakra bet your lawyers, I am of a fair, and now can you? 18 no, laugh or send the no print here and about declaration no for referee no. Now I was saying you know and about.
Well, referees ni yemi no. Nti yes, as I say forms now we're completing and this is yemi no. Nti yes, the what printed that no. Wait me a photocopy of it, and then the other referee no will sign that. Yes, manye.
Kajun Pacho set and one. Yeah, that's what's your program, lady? Yeah, but when you're not why? Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Your question back will be so mankind or the bread WhatsApp so. I say good morning, Magneti. Good morning, Lawyer Patrick. Please, as a EU national, Can I get married with someone I have met in the UK for her to get her documents to stay? Krachi. Yeah, Embiana own time, but La Patrick be you are. Why? La Patrick.
Right. Okay. So the answer is a bit of a yes and no. Nti yɛnhwɛ yes no. Yes, sɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔware obi a biribi anyway si wo ho kwan. Indeed, ɛyɛ human rights sɛ mmara no ma wo ho kwan sɛ wotumi ware. But as to say woware nipa no wie a wobɛtumi agye na tena UK ha no, ɛno na yɛ the main point. Nti how? Okay, sɛ wo nipa yi a woyɛ EU ni a wote kurom ha yi, sɛ wowɔ ba a ɔyɛ a qualifying child a, then yes indeed, sɛ saa nipa korɔ no ɔni immigration status na ɛno nti na ɔntumi meet saa requirement na, then because akwala ɛwɔ mo ntɛm na obetumi akyerɛ sɛ ɔne saa akwala yi ɛne wo nyinaa mo wɔ family life no, then yes obetumi ayɛ application wɔ ha ama ya ma no ɛyɛ 2.5 years based on family life with you as EU national na. First of all, wowɔ asetena ɛwɔ kurom ha, wowɔ asetena wɔ kurom ha, meaning sɛ wayɛ EU settlement scheme no ama ya ma status under the scheme into a relevant EA national. So that is the starters. Say akwala nimu a, I'm afraid na saa nipa yi onyo obi a owo immigration status dada, then indeed untimi nye saa application no ha. Ese se uko back to home country na uko ye saa application no na ode baha no. Se enye saa na saa nipa yi yemfa ne se oye student or by as a student with year 4. But enwuye nti no person switch ya. Yes, obetimi aye saa switch no wa ha wa bra onko back to Ghana. So our skilled worker visa so again obetimi a switch. And I say bia na oye obi a oye dependent but sisi o person switch na oko eye FLIM route na sia again because so our visa no say enwu ya obetimi a switch. So manye winning the dynamics now say yenua no or consider in terms of whether so obetimi aye application wa ha na say ontimi nye no ha, but because oye EU ni so wasetena wo krom ha yes obetimi aware but nipa na ode bua no amana tena ha no esese yehu say edien asetena na wo krom ha say oni hwe na mabia ni ma, I'm afraid esese so call Ghana na okoye na oba.
Yo, La Patrick, that's so don't forward my so Kafra, why? My auntie baby, I'll say free now. Affiliate, Umbisa was okay. But your page our voice, Kakrama, why?
Yo, Pacho, may more 2.5 years now. May renew no January 17th this year, and I'm a woman, 23rd February. 2022 year na still na san kan bia na busa ba ya se bibi wo no ma amana cha na se ni amana ma cha na ba cha
say o di kan hwe yen fitiasia na ka lawyer HH some of the delays na aba no kwan a enti abasa reba no o ma put measurements down or might be a new department to deal with all these delays. In kakra, Baba minim say Lawyer Patrick Beck can be being so at their family the amount. Yeah, Lawyer Patrick and Patrick. Or be some about delay.
Okay, Timpacha also your application at that bank.
17th January 2022 this year.
17th January 2022. On what basis now your application in Pacho?
Pacho say.
Oh yeah, no kwan ben so on what basis? Ujina or yereso, ujina or maso kwan ben so. Renewal of the on what basis, Mbacho?
2.5 no occurring.
Okay, into previous 2.5 no na ujina den so na unya ya.
Me ba na nya.
Ujina wo baso na unya ya. Okay, great. Into still an uda so ujina wo ma no so na wo de Mpacho. Oni nkwala no tia na oni omonte.
Yenyina yete.
Munyina mote faako. But you mainly based on nkwala no as a parent. Okay. So sana tie dia. Also why your application since January. Wakoba unsano February. And I also won't tell you. Okay, usually so we application now wakoba unsano. Now saying home office for omo ntro letter enka say yen saka application no ye ho adwuma. No. Wakoba unsano. That is the end of the story. Process for consideration no started from there. Now, there's been changes. Ya can want some. Say home office for aye nhihia o masesa mo policy no. Nti no, wa wo ye application based on family life as a parent bia no. Wo application no at least ese o ma wo ho 11 months. Edeko. Unless e bia bibi wo ho. But say bibi ani ho a ese o ma wo ho.
Oh, hold on 1 second, mommy. Why? Pato, can you mute the and I say lower baby? I would see a program if you know. Am I a feedback? Okay, yo, let's see a free phone. Me that's it. La Pacho, sorry, wait me at us.
Okay, into yes, sir. Ujina o baso na ye ya. Either say direct access or munyina mu wo fie ba ko na wa ye no. Esesa o ma wo ho 11 months going. Ebetimi abrosa. This is what the Home Office is said. Omo de asesa omo policy no. Enye omo nko a mo amoye applications on the basis of my private life. I wa wo krom ha 20 years. Into based on that 20 years unlawful residence no. Why application? Application no ebetimi awo ho for 11 months onwards. Unless bibi potin bi wa brabo ma and nti no obepe se omo be expedite sa application no. I think say ade a yaboso empan bebre e wo platform yi so. Yetumi achichi mu am yehu se say bia yemfa ne se why your application yi o twen emaye na unfortunately wenya ayie bi nti na esese wokọ ubetimi agina so e de apa home office Chelsea enu nti no omonye nhihye na omun decide wa application in terms de be ya ubetimi akọ ebi so a na okope ayaresa e wokru foforo so nti ubehia se ombe make decision ne nyina no ye kwan a ubetimi afa so ebisa home office ama omo expedite wa application no e de ama failing that no there I'm afraid you would have to wait at least 11 months onwards and sana ubetimi enya decision. It doesn't necessarily mean say ubetwen sa 11 months no. It may be say you be one of the lucky few ebetimi akoto case worker or person oye niema ntentem or hwe niema nimu a no make a decision. But enye sa na ti a the omode ato ho no 11 months a eko. Se sa na odi ene ti a na chese esesa wo hwe no nso sa.
Yes, so nyame nshrawo yedasi. So what's your program media? Yo, yedasi. Why? Afe yenhwe yenuanum na omaba Facebook no yedi kan de nchia kese ema mo nyina ansa. Na najima ye chiawo Mami Efwa Osighi family greetings ye chiawo pa yenso ye so Rebecca Owusumensa ye dus yesa e chiawo Victoria Efwa Kumsin ye so ye can be saying Collins Kwabena also so ye so ye nuaba secretary Papa B employee of the month, Sandra Fraser. Congratulations, my dear Bomodia Kososana Bujuma na Ejumania Kononaya TV. I mean, show. About Sandra Fraser, all the information that you require to contact BWF Solicitors for anything. Lawyers, all the lawyers' numbers are on board. Where to find them. Nina egu. So if you're on the Facebook or the YouTube now, information in Sandra Fraser communication na say intino Sandra da say first of all enso basu good morning ye jo so Colin Kwabena ye jo so Nana Uti ye jo so Mami ya ejewa ye jo so na mami ejewa the question be about ye question no na area ne pako dina so na fe me bisa no question o see manye my question is a friend wants to bring her husband to the UK. Her monthly salary varies each month, but if she adds them together, it's half of the 18,600 and the UKVI required, or does she need to earn 1,550 each month to qualify? Oh, mommy. Yeah, wait there. And say, oh, I didn't know 18,600 now. And I don't know. And he also you of Falco. And I love what you're going to be come on.
So yes, I think majority of the times no. I na nkofo bebree feel say you can 18,006 now. E sika ese daw account mu pacho debi. Enye sika ese wo account mu. Na emom e sika ese wo kire se wo ye adwuma afenimu nyina na yitua wo car. By the end of saa year no, unya at least 18,600. And only sika unya. Inti si efa 18,600 na ye chemu a. Ebema ye 9,300. Inti yemfa ne say you put two together o pay slips for the last 6 months. Why ye juma at least esisi nya ye kan nyina aboma ye nya 9,300. Eno na ye hwe. Inti se obetimi a kire sa dia. Then yes indeed. Obemiti sa 80,600 financial requirements no. Now we P60 for the previous year no e dey aka ho. O dey ka ho a then obetimi dey akire say umiti ana say umiti. Usually a gross no na ye hwe enye net no. The gross no na o dey tabulation no dey ahwe say umiti a manya.
Yo, into mommy, question and on just say, oh boy, kakra, because no be an away you about to manage that enough. Will be or yet you might bear for may catch up, Danny. Ain't in now or yet you may yet legical, Tiani, and Utia, whatever it is no. Yet in our boom gross now, or be pro more than 18,600 into and bone cry. And a lawyer teach him or chimu the 6 months period now near calculating now. It should be equivalent to the yen 1 year no. Why? Other for one must so, but your cafras waging us watch it. My aunt, how can I friend?
Maya, good morning.
Good morning.
Lawyer, good morning. But my question is say, me wo akra 2 months.
Okay.
Na me wo na sana ninya me settle status no. Na me pese me prepare free monthly I was say me pese me koshi.
Okay.
Na next year.
Okay.
And February na me ko. Na me fini form MN1 no. Section 1-3 no.
Okay.
Na me pese me bisa say me just application na Daniel Graces me be on my appointment this month me yet application na me book ni betimi aba before ye kwa na say omo want to say if you at the point mom betimi ama me e bia travel permit bia na say bia me fi de na ko ana
you
person so na betimi aba
meaning say chance and chasa, but lawyer be you and I told you things documents to do with home office need time in it you know. Na lawyers no money who to me say chaburu so a na now mo to one among say ade afi de achadodo na ya throw letter na yitisia. But you will omo to make us say this application or say within 3 weeks and now 1 month no one second. Sometimes no no kre won saka ebi nso a na delay aba enti lawyer pacho obetimi a cheche mami o se o ne ba no na omonkohwe o mo papa na come from now application na until February no is there any possibility say na nsa be ka afra ne book ansana o mako akwantu no pacho say no na masmaraze no
me pacho
enti lawyer pacho betimi eyi ano kakra yemre ni kraso.
Right, okay, so yes, I think so. Oyeni BBA ye na very efficient, effective. There's a likelihood say obetimi enya BBA before then. Now what me enya passport no e call. Yes, even though you face delays with other applications, yes, registration of a child, say we put two BBR together, decision, a turnaround period of maybe, let's say, 3 weeks, 6 weeks, the max. Then an ono bar why or passport application for Aqualano. Again, even though I'm saying almost delays, but I've seen instances decision within a week or two. So it is possible, sir, obetimi enya results ama Aqualano ansano ako February no manya.
Okay. Mommy, that's it. Why?
Pacho, one more question.
Hey.
Me PLP.
Okay, cousin.
We not quite say another so without questions. Me PLP no. So me were old one now. It be wood next year. Next year June, most July. Make me there to quiet harbor, and I said, you say, me apply for.
La Patrick, hey, young men so you.
Okay. Until Ubia Pino is still valid. Until say any renewal now okoya, then you can still travel on the old BR Pino. Now they are called. But bear in mind, say unkotena ho ema okado no enwu ansa na waba. As I say utimi ba na obeye renewal no ansa na okado na wu. So that is BBI as I say wo share so say wo kwa.
Akosia apia me da se why ni efutu no next time me yenisa na mo question na odi buy no na emre emma ye ho kwan na yentumi mbisa I hope say how there nyame adom ochina isra mo me fa call there bi nyame adom a ochina the community and the law neighbor so it no me personally me do question local koma yenu abema oreku from pon na we bisa ewo ohonom ibenya resources nienu see ya na yetumi epentin mo question so e dey ama why nti fa che me say me say enye wo de ba fa che me yemre ye di mre na ye dwuma na mre so aso clients eti ho entwe lawyers na omonko to amodwuma so nti lawyer we dey Deborah I thank you so much for coming lawyer e beda was so say ye to nsafre wo to me ba be cheche mo na you say question dey brain na e wo hostel even ya ba me phone so kra e do so but every my kwan odofo a wo frɛ we dey miss so we need you mo why Miss Rani Dio, me fa call behavior, me fa call behavior. It's like Patrick. I'm cry. Then I would be giants, and I sorry and also.
Right. So, Manye, thank you very much. I think it's been another wonderful section with yourself and the rest of the community listening to us. So, as we're wrapping up, I would like to, obviously, we've introduced her already from the beginning of the show, but I would like to once again formally introduce our affable, delectable, super intelligent and competent, up-and-coming lawyer who is with BWF Solicitors to give up a summary of what we've discussed this morning in Tree. And so, ladies and gentlemen, if you're all ready, I present to you Lady Deborah Adu.
Okay, so today we have discussed would I have to inform the Home Office about any changes or information in my circumstances and what we need to report, the changes we need to report, how we should do it, and the effects of not doing so. So yes, if you have a BRP card or a BRC, or you have made an application for a BRP card or a BRC and a decision has not yet arrived and there are changes in your circumstances, you will need to inform the Home Office. For example, if you change your address, you will need to inform the Home Office. There are situations where you would need to apply for a new BRP card where there's been so for example, where there's been a change of name, if you have changed your name, if you have changed your facial appearance, if you have changed your nationality, if you have changed your gender, you would need to make a new application and inform the Home Office about this change. You can You also need to inform the Home Office if you have been convicted of a criminal offence or if you have any dependents, so any children. And you can do this change by going on the gov.uk/change of circumstances/BRP to make these changes, or you can inform your lawyer who can also assist you with the changes. Some of the implications of not informing the Home Office of these changes are, for example, if you've made an application and you're waiting for your BRP card but you have not informed them of your change of address, they may send your BRP card to a different address and then you may lose it and then you would have to start the processes all over again. So it's really important that you inform the Home Office of any changes to do with your situation, to do with your circumstances, so that they are aware and that you will not encounter any problems going forward. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you very much. I think she has explained everything into details, but in a very summary way and as shortest possible way. Senior Wakano Sana here. Although for now, keep on calling me. So we need demo. Now me say time as something. I couldn't have picked your call. Messro, Nyame had much now. The community and the law ever Yem ohono yinyamre no bebre chen ene. The question that you have that wakoma so no fabra ohono nyame admochna 4 to 6 p.m. Saturday ochna 5th November ebedi ehun komo ewo honum e de amount. However, omonso ana main to me free ana mankin kan mu messages ni nyina so misrem mo fan chemi sa so nyame admochna me de beko the community and the law na yebisa wo honum to make a date with us na ti uti a obenya mwaye no e wo honum ti ochina mbomode ana ti ye share pe no wa share sa nso na oba so a mombomode ana mon share program na community na enquetri emanye nye de bia na nkwa na wadi afa enye fine uhu say ya share pe na so wa share amaye se ne be ya obi nso benya ho emfaso nyame nshira ye nyina nyame ya adoma ochina have a very lovely weekend. Sunday, Magneti Bebaso Nini show. Sometimes we might be able to talk a few bit about some of these things that and also make a date with us and can for the woman on meeting and so kakra. Apart from that, the America said I said Yamea Domina Yesumbaya Evesentia next week. Have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.